Welcome back to Dr. Skull's Raw Comic Videos. This is the last of the thrift store boxes I have to get out of the living room to appease the daughter. We've got that one, and that one all shot. Now to do this one. To start off with, we have a Sea Life underwater case for a 35mm. I do not know what model fits in this. I'll take some research. That's a spiffy heavy-duty underwater case there. And we got a Canon Sure Shot 85 zoom platinum in the box. You know, made in China, of course, but it's still a Canon. Might be worth $1 or $2. And we've got a lot of phones in this one. This is a LG sideways flip phone, Verizon, and eTalk old people phone with the great big numbers. And we have a LG sideways flip with the numbers here and the QWERTY keyboard inside. We have a Kodak EasyShare 712IS digital that's actually in pretty decent shape. A little stickiness there. Casio EXILM 7.2 megapixel digital camera in pink. The Sanyo 3X VPC S1213 digital camera that feels kind of rinky-dink. A little pink LG flip phone. Samsung 21X zoom and model number. This is WB350F. Not too shabby. Vivitar Vivicam 25. This feels really rinky-dink. Very lightweight. We have a Vivitar HC 2000 focus-free 35mm that feels like a giveaway. Kodak EasyShare C310 feels vintage, kind of thick. They have a new in the package Kodak battery. I have to figure out which one that's for. A Polaroid 35mm camera. You don't see very many of those. 3100 BF. When Kodak was struggling for survival. This is definitely a giveaway. It's a focus-free 35mm that weighs about 2 ounces. I'm surprised it doesn't say Time Magazine or something on it. It's Kodak Star 275 with, for some reason, a Polaroid 3100 BF manual and a Samsung manual. I have to figure out which cameras those two go to. This is cool. This is a close-up lens, 57mm photo 2001 for aesthetic. And then in this spiffy little case is an aesthetic mini pocket camera, photo 2001. Got a strong snap. And this is, you know, another close-up lens. Got a little chain that, so you don't lose it. And there's your spiffy little spy camera, XF11. Looks like it probably takes like a 110 film. But this is yeah, it's a cute little camera. I'll set that over there. Get to that in a moment. And we got a SanDisk card. We have the Ivation digital camera with a case on the box, and this is a shock resistant, water resistant, well, shock proof it says, which that's never true. They're almost proof. I can break anything, but this is like new. Never heard of Ivation before, but I'll look them up. I like spiffy old tech. We got a bunch of knives here. Now, I opened them up on the video that didn't work, but this is an Imperial. It's got one blade broke. I won't try to focus on the name on this one. It's unfortunate, but you know, when you're getting stuff for free from the thrift store, you can't complain if something's broke. And we have a bunch of the Klein Tools ones with the wood center and the stainless sides. This is their lock blades. This is actually the nice one. It's still got its tip. This is the larger one. And we have another large, kind of a medium one, that somebody used it for prying and took the tip right off. Okay, they're the same size. And we have a smaller one, also Klein Tools, same body. This one actually survived, kept its tip. All these knives came in the same bag from the same person. I got this little fella here that's got a blade broke all the way off. And tip is gone off of that blade. I cannot read the brand, but it's Utica, New York. So it shouldn't be that hard to figure out. Now we have a old Camp King. The one blade's broke, one blade's bent, and then the big blade's there. And okay. We have this cool little sad buck. This is a tiny buck knife. But they killed the tips off of both blades. Yeah, they snapped right off. And that's about it. So if you like this sort of thing, please consider leaving a like. You know somebody might like it, please consider sharing. If you know somebody, or if you'd like to see more, as always, subscribe. Our eBay links are in the description, as is my business email. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.